Yeah, good afternoon, second year students. Now I am going to discuss about the practical 2, define an HTML tables. How to define the table tag? Define an HTML table. 3 tags. TR means table row, TH means table header, then TD means table data. Cell is defined with TD. TH table header, TD table data. Using that 3 tags only, we are going to make tables. The same exercise. So I did in 50% table. Same exercise. So if you run like this, automatically you will get now network I think in IE. So if network is there, then automatically will execute. See here, first name, last name, age. Here first name, last name, age. Okay, so JIL. So here some problem is coming for the accept all the. Okay, so here Jail Smith 50 age, EVE Jackson 94 age, Johnson DOE 80 age. So this exactly see this table row. So it is in table row. Smith DTH table row. First name is JIL, last name is Smith, age is 50. Next table row. So table head is this only. So first name, last name, age. Then after that, so here is it is in first row, TR, table row. TD no, table data inside. Okay, within the table row, here everything it is data. So likewise only here table row EVE Jackson 94, second row. Then table row, third row, John DOE 80. It is another row. Likewise only the table we are going to make. Here if you put 100%, 100% it is there. If you put 50%, 50% will display in the table. Here starting HTML, it is an it is the structure of the HTML code. So HTML body. So here head and title, if you want, means you put head within head, title open tag and close the tag. There you mention I am going to do the table 3 row table data. I am going to display like that. You have to mention some headings of the program. That's all. Body here started HTML, here ended HTML, started body, so here ended. So within this 3 row of the data. Okay, so one by one, this is first row, second row, third row. Okay, second one, here HTML table add a border. Border means here table header DD table data. So the border 1px solid block. Like that if you mention means you will get a solid block border you will get. So this is the execution of the exercise. Here solid border. Same way only multiple data here that particular table header table data within the data all it is in solid block border. So this solid block border only using the exercise. Here HTML collapsed border. Collapsed border means it is not in order, collapsed in a different way. Here small, only one single line, that is solid line means double line. So that's all. Here table th, same thing only. First line is as usual border dash collapse colon collapse. Okay, automatically single line. You will get size 625 into 490 as usual default tables. Then next one is HTML add cell paddings. Cell paddings th and dd only. Here somewhat bigger sizes, cell paddings. So here same thing, another padding 15 px means some spacious table you will get. Same exercise, different tables, cell padding tables, collapsed tables, solid tables. Likewise table it may differ. So inside the HTML code you can change whatever the table you want, that you can change inside the code. Border spacing. Border spacing here like that, separate box. Border spacing, this is not available, no table is using this type of border spacing, so only table they are using. Here example, another one more examples. Email, here no Bill Gates telephone number. Okay, so this is different coding, but slight change only. Here no as usual solid that is for collapsed, and as well as paddings single line only. Here Bill Gates details, phone numbers, collapsed equal to 2. Likewise you see the code and see the execution, whatever format you require, no same output, so same type of coding you have to do. Okay, that's all. Maximum formats, center alignment, add captions. Here no span many rows. If you want many rows, no, that only we are going to. So one Bill Gates have 2 phone number, it is merged by the phone number. Likewise you can code small changes only. Here no, what is the major changes? Here within the TR itself you have to maintain another number, that's all class. Here the table start from here, end from down places. Here body also. So here add caption. Add caption, you have to add the caption. This is the different tables. Your exercise here captions is monthly saving. Okay, so here table captions, the paragraph is table caption, paragraph, and monthly saving here. So monthly saving to January, February. 2 table row you have to create. Okay, TH means heading. Heading is month saving. Same way you have to January maintain, February maintain. Here likewise the same thing only, add more styles here also. Okay, so now we are going to discuss see your exercises. Okay, here example tables, we'll see what they given. If it is given same thing, no problem. So we'll go and discuss your exercise. Tables, images, tables is not given, only color, style, another examples only given. Many examples are given but not in table. CSS scheme. Okay, so now we are going to discuss your exercise. Here now the symbol table were already